In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin with the foundation of your work on Monday.com, the board. Everything starts here. You have the option to create a board from scratch, which allows for complete customization, or you can choose from a variety of pre-built templates that fit specific workflows. This flexibility means you can tailor your experience to your specific needs right from the start. Next, let's get organized using items and sub-items. Think of items as representing your tasks, clients, deals, or meetings. They are the core of your board, where everything begins. For larger tasks that require more detailed steps, utilize sub-items to break them down into manageable portions. This ensures that no detail is overlooked and keeps your workflow streamlined. Now, we need to manage our data effectively, and that's where adding columns comes into play. Let's talk about a few key columns you might want to include. The People column is essential for assigning tasks to specific team members. The Timeline column is where you set and track deadlines. It helps keep everyone accountable. The Status column allows you to track progress and prioritize work efficiently. Don't forget about the Column Center, which lets you add extra details like files, locations, or contact information. This contextual information is integral for clarity and communication. Speaking of communication, Monday.com has built-in features to help you collaborate effectively. Use the Update section on any item to ask questions, tag teammates for their input, and attach files relevant to that task. This keeps all conversations organized within the context of each task, preventing vital information from getting lost. Another powerful feature is leveraging built-in AI tools. These tools help you categorize data at a large scale, summarize large blocks of text, or even extract information from uploaded files. This can save you significant time when processing and organizing information. When it comes to visualizing your progress, you can switch how you see your data by visiting the View Center. For instance, the Chart view allows you to visualize data for deeper insights. If you're collecting information from forms, the Form view lets you capture those submissions as items directly on your board. The Gantt or Kanban views can help manage timelines and workflows visually, which can be incredibly helpful in keeping projects on track. Let's not forget about automation and integrations, which are essential for maximizing efficiency. You can create automations using recipes to automate repetitive tasks. For instance, when a task status changes, you can set it up to automatically notify a team member. Integrating other apps like Gmail or Slack can also centralize your work, making communication and task management seamless. Make sure to browse the Apps Marketplace for third-party tools that can enhance your workflow further. Lastly, it's important to keep track of the big picture. Create dashboards to monitor key performance indicators and team performance across multiple boards. You can use customizable widgets that make this information readily accessible and easy to understand. And don't forget about brainstorming. Use Monday Work Docs as a collaborative space to record notes and ideas that can then be turned into actionable board items. This promotes teamwork and ensures that everyone's input is valued and documented. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming proficient with .com. Happy organizing!